She prayed the same prayer every night for 30 years. God, bring my son home. He had left at 17. Ran away, no calls. No letters, nothing. People told her to stop waiting, to move on. But she never missed a prayer, not one. On her knees, year after year. Tears on the same carpet. Then one morning, she was making tea. The house was quiet. Ding dong. The doorbell rang. She opened it. And there he was. Older, tired, eyes full of shame. He said, "Mom, I don't know why I came back. Something told me you'd still be here." She didn't say a word. Just held him. Because she knew it wasn't something that called him home. It was prayer. Silent, faithful, and seen, but heard. Never underestimate the power of a praying mother. Because when others give up, faith keeps going. And sometimes, God answers on the 11,000th prayer. Subscribe for more stories that prove He still listens.